Hi fans, this is giving me joy right now. Like I've been laughing from the start of this movie. But we're going to start with a question. Okay, as a lady, can you enter your man's house, your fiance's house, and you met three ladies, mature ladies, looking good, fine ladies, and you don't know their relationship with him, but you met them. How will you react? How are you going to react? This lady literally slapped all of them, and the piercing came out, and one of them happened to be the would-be sister-in-law. So how are they going to settle this? By the way, if you have not subscribed yet to this channel, please, I'm begging you, like, comment, subscribe. Can you do that, or you cannot? And as the man, will you still go ahead into this kind of relationship with the lady? Please help me to comment, share this. This is a comedy drama. It's going to make your day. I promise you that. It's titled A Fight to Finish. That is, it's still cooking, a fight that is yet to finish. Please make sure you subscribe and like, because that will make me to send more videos like these. Thank you.
Please, I'm desperate. I don't know what to do. Please subscribe.